Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 129 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ربنا وابعث فيهم رسولا منهم. ربنا. For ra, make the sound heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. Rab, and attach with ba. Ra, saying ra is heavy. Yes. When you're creating, saying ra, then you're good to go. So the sound should be ra. Rab, and attach with ba. Rab, for fatha, open your jaws. Na, 2 counts long. Sound. ربنا وب. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with ba, and ba will get qalqala. And qutubujading are the 5 letters. Whenever they are with sukoon, you will give them qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. When you are closing your makhraj strongly, then you're opening it to create qalqala. Wab, wab'ath. Ain from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws and attach with tha. Tha will get rukhawa. Ath, ath. The sound should flow. Fi, 2 counts long. There should be hums in fa. Him, for kasra, give e sound. For mim, you are giving tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Fihim. Ra, ra is a heavy sound. For fatha, open your jaws. Whenever ra or ra is with fatha or dhamma, you're making the sound heavy. Ra, su, 2 counts long. Lam, idgham with gunna, you're keeping the sound in your nose and merging this tanween into meme. Rasulam, this is gunna. Then min, for kasra, give e sound, me, and then attach with noon, and noon will get tawassut. Min, hum. The same amount of tawassut should be on both letters, for noon and meen. Min, hum. Yet, for ya, ya is a very soft letter. You are raising your tongue towards your palate, but it is not touching the palate. And attached with ta, will get hums, and hums is a flow of breath. Yet, lu, is 2 counts long letter here. Lu, ain from your throat. Lay, 2 counts long. Alayhim. For kasra, give e sound, attach with meme, and meme will get tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Him, hamza is a very sharp sound, and attached with alif, ya, 2 counts long. Ya is a soft letter. T. For kasra, give e sound, ka, very sharp sound. Ayatika. Wow. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. You. For dhamma, circle your lips. Ya is you're lifting your tongue up, but it's not touching the palate. Wa, you. Al, ain from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with lam. Ali, li. For kasra, give e sound. For dhamma on meme, give circle your lips very well. Mu, hu, wa yu'allimu, hu. The sound is short, and for dhamma, circle your lips. Mul. For dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with lam. Lam will get tawassut. Mul, ki. Kaf is a light letter. For kasra, give e sound, ki. Make sure that e sound should be there. Ki, ta, 2 counts long. Ba, kitaba. Well, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with lam with tawassut. Well, hik. For kasra, give e sound. Attach with kaf. And kaf will get hums. Hik. Ma is short. Ta short. Mata. Wa. Wow, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa you. You is a soft letter. For dhamma, circle your lips. Wa you. Zek. Zek. Za. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with kaf. Kaf is a light letter. Zek. Ki. Ki. Two counts long. Him. Wa you. Zek. Ki. Him. For tawassut, give tawassut on meme. In Hamza is a very sharp sound. For kasra, give e sound. Attached with noon. Noon will get gunna because noon and waw are the letters whenever they are with tashdid. You are giving gunna, and gunna is to keep the sound in your nose. Inna. Na. For fatha, open your jaws. Inna. Ka is short. Tel. Hamza is a sharp sound. For fatha, open your jaws. And ta is attached with lam. Tel. Lam will get tawassut. Tel. Ain from your throat. From your throat, and for fatha, open your jaw. Z, two counts long. Z. Zul. For dhamma, circle your lips. Attached with lam. Lam will get tawassut. Zul. Ha. From your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. Ki will be 4 counts long here because you are giving temporary sukoon to give waqf, and it will be mad aadid lissakun now. So you will stretch it for 4 counts. Innaka antal azizul hakim. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.